as you can see, we're going to do a weave on today, and yeah, I just want to show you what we'll need. Hair oil and some crunchies and a brush, a comb, and needles, and of course thread. Some people also use glue, but I don't really like it. Well, today I'm showing you another pattern what I've also made for a complete weave on without any bulging. So as you can see, we start at the front with 3 rows going down on both sides, and these we will put like under here to hide it, and the other, yeah, 1 2 3 4 rows on each side going upwards. So what we're going to do is to just crisscross them and just sew them down just like this, and then we go across until we're on the top, and then we have these little ones on the sides. That is for when she wants to make the hair in a pony upwards. At the back we also leave it out. So when we finish putting the braids completely, then we're going to loose these out again and then flat iron them, and then it matches also with the weave on. So guys, we will show you the end result. You all know other tutorial videos of weave on, so this is also nothing new again, but I just wanted to show you what other braid pattern I have also done. Okay, see you when it's finished. Bye. Yeah, so this is the complete pattern of the hair, all sewed down, so there will be no bulging bumps anywhere. Yeah, and as I said, these little ones we will press iron them, flat iron them, straighten them, whatever, and then yeah, we will show you how it looks afterward. Okay, so we are finished. Well, not 100% finished because it's 2 o'clock in the morning now, and we still have to straighten these out. Yeah, but apart from that, the main job is finished. Turn around. There is no left out. You cannot see through it. Yeah, and the hair is have a lot of volume. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Now you just put it up in a ponytail, and then we are off to bed, and tomorrow we'll show you then when we finish pressing it how it will look when she put up at the back. All right, then later. So finally we are finished. So we just flat iron the hair, and now that is the result. So turn around and we can see also the front. Yes, that's the front. So for us mothers, it's also a relief. Don't have to be combing the child's hair too often. So with this hair, she has like a month or so to go with. Yeah, so we go a little bit nearer to it. Yeah, still practicing, still practicing. Turn the back again as well. Yeah, that's it. So until the next video, have a wonderful time.